Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can enable the slow motion shooting mode on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So at the start you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now look to the top of the shutter button, tap on whatever icon you'll find here, and make sure to enable the video shooting mode. Now to the left of the shooting mode selection, simply press slow motion. And now you are in the slow motion video mode, so you can record your slow motion videos if you want to. Let's make a quick test here, add some movement to the frame. Now we'll stop the video, open it, and see the results. This is the result we came up with. So that's indeed a slow motion. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.